Welcome students to your mathematics class. In the last class we have covered question number 6 part A. In today's class I am going to do this question number 6 part B, and in this question it is again a composite figure. Here we have a triangle and a semicircle. As you all know, we have to find perimeter and area of this figure. Here one thing that I want you people to just change is this 200 centimeter, under root of 200 centimeter square. We'll use the value of this, and its value is, when we will find the value, its value is 14.14. Fine. So instead of using 200 centimeter, under root 200 centimeter, we will use the value that is 14.14 centimeter. Fine. So here what is given in this semicircle, we have it's a semicircle. First of all, it's 5 centimeter is given. It's that 5 centimeter is point from its center till here, and we know point from center till any of the point on circle is called radius. So we got one thing, that radius is 5 centimeter. Fine. Because radius is 5 centimeter, then this diameter becomes 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeter, this all. As they have mentioned that this line means that whatever this line is, the length of this line is also same. So this is also 10 centimeter. So what we got now? We got this length centimeter, it's the triangle's base length, that is 10 centimeter, and this hypotenuse of triangle we know 14.14, and we know the radius of semicircle. Now we will find out first of all the perimeter, and then we will find out the area. The formula to find out the perimeter is simply the outer boundaries. We know that we can add this length, this is in the boundary, this is in the boundary, and this part of the semicircle is in boundary. So as we are now we know that this one is 14.14. Let me write this perimeter. Fine. So perimeter, to find perimeter, we know that one length is 10, other one is 14.10. 10 plus 14.14. Other one is the perimeter, that is about the circle, and the formula to find the perimeter or the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. As we have we have semicircle, so formula will use 2 pi r. We are using this one because we know the radius, and we will divide it by 2. Why will divide it by 2? Because it is the semicircle. So this is half of a complete circle, so we are going to remove this one. Now we know 14.10 plus 14.14 is 24.14 plus this one value. Here we have value of pi is 3.14. for 2, and r is, we know r is 5. So we will multiply 3.14 with 5, and what we will get is 15.71. So if we will add this one, so we are going to get 15.71, 3.142 times 5. So now we got the values 24.14 plus 15.71, which will give us 39.85 centimeter. Fine. So this is the perimeter of this figure. Clear? Now we will move on to the area of this figure. To find the area of this figure, first of all we have to find the area of the triangle and add into the area of semicircle. The formula to find out the area of triangle: area of triangle is, formula to find out the area of triangle is 1/2. Because it is a composite figure, so we have to add the areas of both the things, base into height. This is the area to find out the area of triangle, plus area of semicircle is pi r square upon 2. Again I am repeating because it is a semicircle, so we'll divide the area by 2. So we'll just put in the values and we'll get the answer. 1/2. Base, we know that base is 10. Height is also 10. Fine. So first of all we will find out the area of this one, 1s and 5s. So area of triangle becomes 50 centimeter square. So this is the area of this triangle. Fine, this area. Now we have to find out the area of this semicircle. The formula is pi r square upon 2. So now I am removing this and we will find, we just remember the value 50 centimeter square is the area of triangle. Now the area, to find out the area of semicircle, pi r square upon 2. Pi value is 3.142 and the value r is, we know, 5 square upon 2. So this is going to become 3.14 times 25. 5 square is 25 upon 2. Here I can do some cross multiplication and that's going to become 1 and 12.5. Now we will add 12.5 by 3.14, so we will get the value 39.25. 39.25. Previously we got the value of 50 and now 39.25. Now if we will add both the values, then we are going to get the area of whole composite figure. 50 area of complete figure plus 39.25. Fine, so it's going to give me 89.25 centimeter square. So this is the area of this whole figure. Previously we found the perimeter and now area. Clear? So after this, the question number 6 part B, so part C. This question, part C, where we have 3 semicircles actually. So this one is your homework. Here I just give you some hint. This one is the one semicircle. Okay, its diameter is 18, which is given here. Diameter is 18 and radius is 9. Okay, so its radius will become 9. Okay, and there again we have 2 more semicircles. One semicircle is this, one semicircle is this. Now this line, this arrow, these lines, this line and this line, these they are indicating that these 2 lines are same. Now if 18, we'll divide 18 into 2 equal parts, so it's going to give us 9 and 9. So the diameter of these 2 semicircle is 9 and 9. So their radius becomes 4.5 and 4.5. That because they have the same radius, they have the same diameter, so we can consider these 2 semicircle as a complete circle. So when you find the perimeter of this figure, the semicircle, you have to find the perimeter of this semicircle. That you will use the formula of semicircle. That means perimeter formula you will use and then divide by 2. But these 2 circles, when you will discuss this one and this one, here you can consider a complete perimeter because these 2 have the same radius, so they becomes one complete circle. Same you will do for the area. Clear? So now we'll do another question. This question number 7. This question number 7 is also, now this one you have to do it yourself. Here we have a rectangle and we have 4 circular. 1/4 of a circle is here. 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 They all have the same radius 2. That shows they all makes one complete circle. So first find out the perimeter and area of this figure, and if you will find any problem in solving this question, then please inform me. Now we will do question number 8. Question number 8 of exercise 13A. Now we will do that question. Here we have perimeter of a rectangular field is 70 meter and its length is 15 meter, longer than its breadth. The field is surrounded by a concrete path as shown in the figure. Find the area of this path. So now here we have a rectangular field. They are discussing about this rectangular field. Here we have, they are saying that length is 15 meter, longer than the breadth. Length is 15 meter, longer than the breadth. That means if breadth is x, we'll consider x. So length is 15 plus x. Okay. If width is x, length is 15 plus x, because length is 15 meter longer than the breadth. To find out the first of all, we have to find out the x value of x. A value of x we can simply find by finding by the perimeter, because perimeter is given. So we know that perimeter means this side. If we will add all the boundaries, so if this one is x, this is also x, and if this one is 15 plus x, so this value is also, this length value is also 15 plus x. So if we will add all of them together, so that's going to become x plus x, 2 breadths, then 15 plus x plus 15 plus x. They all are equal to 70 meter. And because why they are equal to 70 meter? Because they have perimeter is 70 meter. So now they are going to give me, if we will add these 2x and this x, they are going to give 4 x's. So we can write 4x plus 15 into 15 is 30. So 4x plus 30 is equals to 70. So now we can write 4x plus 30 is equals to 70. Fine. So now because 30 we will minus 30 on both sides, so 30 will appear on the other side. 4x is equals to 70 minus 30. 4x is equal to, then 70 minus 30 is 40, and x value will be 10. So now we got the value of x value. We consider this breadth, that is now 10. If this one is 10, that was we have considered length 15 plus x, so length become 15 plus 20, 15 plus 10 is 25. So length become 25 and breadth is 10. So now we can write it in this way. This one is 10, this one is 25. Fine. So now we have to first of all find the area of this rectangular field, and then we have to find the area of this bigger rectangle which is on the which is actually the boundaries of the concrete pathway which is surrounding this. So if we will find the area of this small rectangle and this big rectangle, then simply we can find that area, that concrete path, by subtracting the area of smaller rectangle from the area of bigger rectangle. Fine. Let's do this. 25. Area of smaller rectangle will, we can simply find length into breadth. So area of area is equals to area. We can simply find for your area formula is length into breadth. So length is, we have 25 into 10. I am talking about the smaller rectangle. 25 into 10 will give me 250 meter square. Always area is in meter square. Now to find out the area of bigger rectangle, first of all we have to find what is the length, what is this length, and what is this breadth, and what is this length, what is the measurements of this one. To find this, they have given some clues, this one and this one, that shows that whatever the length is of the smaller rectangle, we have to add 5 meter from here, 5 meter from here, so that becomes 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 5 is 20, so that it become 20 meter. Fine. And here they have given 2.5 and 2.5 at that side as well. So 25, 2.5 is 5, so they are going to give us 30 meter. 30 meter is the length and 20 meter is the breadth. Clear? So we have now found the values. This one is 20, and this is 30. 25 plus this one and plus this part. 2.5 is 5. Okay, so this is length. Now we have to find the area of the bigger rectangle. Area of bigger rectangle, same formula we will use, length into breadth. Here length is 30 and breadth is 20. 30 into 20 is will give me 6 and 2 zeros. So 600 meter square is the length of the bigger rectangle. To find out this value of this path, and this path, we can simply do what? Area of bigger rectangle minus the area of smaller rectangle. Okay. So area of bigger rectangle is 600 minus 250 will give me 350 meter square. So this is the area of the concrete path which is surrounding the rectangular field. Fine. Students, please complete your work, do your assignments, and go through all the questions which I am solving here on Google Classroom, and be ready for your examination. Your examination syllabus is about chapter 11, chapter 15, and this chapter 13. 13 only 13a, the questions which we are doing in this classroom. Clear? Thank you.